need your music. I need your music.
Okay, I'll stay beside. I have to eat my banana.
Yes.
Maganda pa yung banana, matigas.
Matigas.
Tripan ko na lang.
Matigas.
Matigas. Tawanan ng babae, matigas. Kung akin, wala na.
Sit here. Sit down. Sit down. Sit
Kung
down.
masaya sila ng tomboy, may dila naman ako.
Oh,
Yun, no?
Oh, yeah.
Pag-asa.
Okay,
Importante
okay.
buhay. Thank you, boss.
Sit down, sit down, sit down, sit
Enjoy
down.
natin. Hindi naka-interrupt yung music ko sa kain mo.
Hindi.
Thank you for that. You know, I'm a Filipino, knows how to speak grade 1 only. Baka magdugo ilong natin. Yeah, I have to speak English grade 1 only.
Don't touch me.
Taga saan ka, bro?
Sa Lapko.
Ha?
Lapko.
Oh!
Oh, yeah.
Nagwardya yung anak ko dati, si Florentino Jr. 6'2". Pero kasi sa lab ko, manager.
Manager sa Lapko?
Ikaw?
Hindi. Alam na ko na
position mo doon? Supervisor?
supervisor.
Okay, yung kaibigan ko naman nasa Kwan, nasa Biotech.
Kalte?
Oh, bago lang daw nakahir Virgo, yung agency Virgo. My name is Florentino, retired from Philippine National Bank.
Nice to see you. Nice to see you.
Nice to see you, my friend.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm older.
Nice.
Yeah, I'm already a senior, but I feel young when I see you. Some boy. Mga 25. Your age, 25.
Yes. 25 years old.
Okay, guess it's alright. I'm 66 already. But I have 3 beautiful daughters. A Doctora Isabel and Miss B. Major Marketing.
Wow.
If you
So
can-
nice. Very good.
If you can
Nice,
go
nice.
upstairs at PCC second floor,
Yeah.
look at the M. Holier Jewelry. Have you seen there? Nakapasok ka na doon?
Oh.
Second floor?
Second floor?
M. Holier?
Molière.
Yung maputi na maganda na 5'7" ang height?
That's your daughter?
No, anak ng nanay. Hindi ako nanganganak. Inanakan ko lang ng nanay. Lahi ko yun.
Lahi mo yun. Kala ko, anak mo.
Hindi ko anak ng nanay niya. Hindi ako
anak.
nanganak. Are you Maguindanao?
What?
Maguindanao? Ilocano?
Ilonggo.
Tumandok ako kay Longgo. Tumandok man ako eh. Siyempre, pag Maguindanao. Oh, brother, magkano ba talaga? Tuno lang, pero hindi ako kabalo Maguindanao. Ilonggo ka galit. Tagadain ka sa Barangay Sang 27, Barangay of Congal City. Din ka?
Sa
Ako, Barangay.
Purok YBL.
Ha?
Purok YBL, Barangay Santo Niño. Zone. Barangay Santo Niño.
Akala ko Zone 3. YBL?
Oh, YBL.
Di ba Zone 3 yun? Sa harapan ng Barrios. Santo Niño.
Oh.
Pero Barrios na yun? Harapan ng Zone 3? YBL?
Barrios.
Barrios na.
Yeah.
Eh kung dito sa YBL, Zone 3 yan, di ba? Kung YBL Birahe, Zone 3 hanggang sa Nia yata. Pero doon sa harapan, Barrios.
Barrios.
Enjoy.
Oh, enjoy.
Your first name? My first name is Florentino.
My name is Joey A. Katil.
Joey Katil.
Yeah, Katil.
Yours, Maguindanao.
No. My mother is Ilongga. My father is Tiboli.
Filipino.
Yeah.
You have a municipality of Jibuli.
Yeah.
And you have also a tribe of Jibuli.
I have a student
Yeah,
student in Green Valley.
You're
I have
working
to
at
focus in studying in
You're
Green Valley.
working at Lapco?
Lapko?
Lapco, you're working at Lapco?
That's my
Employer. What's your position?
No, nothing position because employee is
What are you doing there in Lapco? Bodega. Anong trabaho mo doon? Okay, very good. That's formal. That's a good position.
Yes.
You deliver so many products. PCC,
like
Yeah. There are so many products there in the warehouse, Lapco. No, I passed by there.
pass by them.
Yeah, they have also the Biotic. My friend is brothers of mine, Mark's sister, signed at Biotic. Low Bayo, not in High Bayo. Low Bayo. Once upon a time, he was assigned at High Bayo, kaso lang nagkasakit kaya bumaba sa High Bayo. Another 15 days before going to High Bayo. The former Cordora is my classmate. The founder of Biotech, partner of PCC. Cordora, nasa Sariano. Si dating PCI manager, no? Kaklase ko yan sa high school, kabatch ko. Ano nga, nalimutan ko ng pangalan ni Cordora. Sila ang pioneer dyan sa Kwan. Siyang big boss dyan sa Kwan dati. Assign ni TCC.